Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to work the tulip stitch. So I've made the foundation chain and a round of double crochets, and now I'm going to make 3 chains, to work 3 chains, and that count as a double crochet, and here in the same point I'm going to work another double crochet, 2 chains and a simple crochet in the same point. Then I'm going to skip here 2 stitches, and in the third I'm going to make again 2 double crochets, 2 chains and a simple crochet in the same stitch. That's it. The stitch tulip is just that. The only difference is from second round and after. You have to see where to insert the hook again. So we are going to finish this first round. It's very simple. I skip 2 stitches. In the third I work 2 double crochets, 2 chains and a simple crochet stitch in the same point. Again I'm going to skip 1, 2 stitches. In the third I'm going to work in the third stitch 2 double crochets, 2 chains and a simple crochet in the same place, the same space, in the same point. Again I'm going to skip 2 stitches. In the third I'm going to work 2 double crochets, 2 chains and a simple crochet. And again skip 2 stitches. In the third we work 2 double crochets, 2 chains and a simple crochet. To finish the round I'm going to work a double crochet, and to start the new round I'm going to work 3 chains, and 3 chains that count as 1 double crochet, and in the same point I'm going to work another double crochet, 2 chains and a simple crochet down here in the same point. Now I'm going to skip the tulip stitch here and insert my hook here in the space where we have worked the 2 chains in the previous round. So here I work 2 double crochets, 2 chains and a simple crochet in the same space, and again skip the tulip flower stitch and insert the hook in the place where we have worked the 2 chains in the previous round, and work 2 double crochets, 2 chains and a simple crochet down here in the same place. Again, skip the tulip stitch. The tulip stitch is simply a half shell stitch, and insert the hook here where you have worked your 2 chains, and work 2 double crochets here, 2 chains and a simple crochet down here in the same space. Again, skip the half shell stitch or tulip stitch, and insert the hook here where you have worked your 2 chains in the previous round, and work 2 double crochets, 2 chains and a simple crochet down here, and that's it. This is the tulip or half shell stitch. Again, skip the half shell stitch or tulip stitch, and go where you have worked in the previous round your 2 chains, and work 2 double crochets, 2 chains and a simple crochet down here. And to finish the round, again a double crochet, and then to start the new round, the 3 chains that count as 1, and in the same place a double crochet, 2 chains and a simple crochet down here in the same stitch, and again skip the half shell stitch or tulip stitch, and go where you have worked in the previous round the 2 chains, and work 2 double crochets, two chains and a simple crochet, and so on and so forth. This is our stitch. It's beautiful. Thank you for being with me. Till next time. Bye.